In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new field in Zoho CRM. Creating a new field might sound a bit technical, but with my guidance, you'll find the process straightforward and rewarding. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to ensure you're signed in as an admin. This is because only users with admin rights, or those who have managed customization privileges, can create new fields in Zoho CRM. Once you're logged in, we'll start the process by accessing the Layout Editor. This is your central hub for field customization, and luckily it's easy to find. Simply navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on Setup, which is represented by the gear icon. From there, scroll down to Customization, then select Modules and Fields. Now, let's move on to selecting the module where you want to add the new field. A module in Zoho CRM is essentially a collection of fields and data related to a specific business function, like leads or contacts. Click on the module you're targeting. For instance, you might choose Leads. This will open up the Layout Editor, and from here, you'll have the space to be creative and tailor the CRM to fit your specific business needs. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice the New Fields tray. Here is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of field types to choose from: text, number, pick list, lookup, auto number, and more. Each field type serves a unique purpose, so take a moment to consider what data you want to capture with this new field. Once you've made your decision, simply drag the desired field type into your chosen section on the layout. This drag and drop functionality makes the process both simple and intuitive. After you've placed the field, a pop-up will appear that allows you to configure the properties of the new field. This step is crucial for ensuring the field meets your needs. Enter a field label to identify your field, set the appropriate length, and if needed, define a default value. You have additional options to enforce uniqueness, which ensures that no two records can have the same value for this field, and you can decide if the field should be required. If you're creating a pick list, this is the time to enter your pick list options. Once you've configured the properties to your satisfaction, the final and important step is to save your work. Click Save Layout to apply your changes and make the new field available for use in your module. Saving also ensures that your efforts are preserved, allowing you to enjoy the results of your customization immediately. And that's it. You've successfully added a new field in Zoho CRM, and your setup is now even better tailored to capture the data that's essential for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy CRM